Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about the conditions available in Automation Anywhere A2019 version. So for this demo, we are basically going to talk about if, ElseIf, and else. So a very brief about this three condition is in case of if you need to specify a specific condition and if that is fulfilling the condition. If the current scenario is fulfilling the condition, then the specific code available in that section will be executed. Okay. In case of else if, this is going to be a subsequent condition after if, and if is not getting fulfilled, then in that case, the next else if will be checked, and if that is getting fulfilled, then the code within else if will be executed. The last one is else. If none of the above if and else if is getting executed, in that case else will be executed. But if any one of the above if or else if was executed, then it will never reach to the below else if or else. Okay, we'll have a deeper understanding of this tree by taking a simple example. Okay, so we'll create bot, call it conditions, and then we will choose a location where we want to store this code. And then if you want to provide some description, you can provide. Otherwise, you can click on create and edit. It will take us to the developer screen. And for this example, what we are going to do is we are going to compare two numbers. Okay? And we basically need to focus on understanding the concept. So we will take a very simple example of comparing two simple numbers and displaying the result in the message boxes. Okay, so we'll create two numbers. We'll call it A and store them in numbers. Okay, and we will assign it a default value 10. Similarly, we'll create another variable which is B. We'll assign it 20. Okay, now we're good with this. We'll click on actions and we'll search with it. Here you will be able to see a package if, and under that you will be able to see three things: if, else, if, and else. Okay, we'll start with if. Okay, so when I'm dragging if into our panel, the development panel, then we are basically seeing uh, the flow like this, and in the right side you will have an option to choose condition. Okay, there are a lot of conditions available in A2019 version, like window exists, application running, boolean, data type, javascript, and all those things. Okay, we'll not get into those complications because it's not really required for this video, and we'll talk about this in some other session. So for this one, what we are going to do is we are going to create a number type of condition. Okay, so here you will be able to see under list number condition. So just click on that. So it will ask for two things: source value and target value. And then there is an operator which is going to have equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, or less than equal to. We'll talk about all of this. We'll start with equal to and not equal to. Okay, so here we are going to assign to A. And similarly here we are going to choose B for target value. Okay, so currently there is nothing here in the options below. So we can drag something here, but before that, for our understanding, currently the value for A is 10 and the value for B is uh, 20, right? So it is definitely not equal to. It's not the both of the values are definitely not equal. Okay. So the bot executed successfully, but nothing happened. Why? Because the conditions did not matched. Okay. A was never equal to B, and it never entered into this line of area, this area where the message box equal was supposed to pop up. So what we are going to do is, for this example, we'll quickly assign B also the same value. Okay, just double click on B and assign it 10. Now save and run. Okay, now you are able to see that equals to is coming. Okay, so that's how equals symbols come. Okay, so similarly we will check this condition for all other symbols also. Okay, so we will change it to, okay, we will change the value of B to 20 so that we can proceed with our other type of condition, which is next one is else. Okay, so make sure you're connecting with this. Okay, so else is again going to offer us another condition to be provided. Okay, again we are going to take number type of conditions here, number conditions, and the source value and target value is going to be A and B. Okay, so here in this case we are going to check if A is less than B. Okay, A is less than B, and if it is, then we are going to display a message. For that, we are going to search for a message box, drag and drop here. And then A is less than B. Okay, let's see what comes. Click on save, then run. So started the bot, and you can see B is less than B. Okay, this was a mistype. This was typing mistake. I'll quickly correct it. A is less than B. This is what the message should be. Click on run. There you go. A is less than B. Cool. Okay, so we are left with one condition, which is else. Make sure you're connecting it. Okay. And there is nothing. So if I'm clicking here, you're able to see in the right side properties panel, there is no condition, just a comment. Okay? So you can't specify any condition for it. What you need to make sure is if else and else. Did I? Okay. This is correct. Else if and else. All this two should be subsequent and connected with an if. Otherwise, it is going to throw an error. Okay. So here, in case of our scenario, B is greater. Okay. So for this example, what we are going to do is we are going to make it 5. Okay. So in this case, A is less than B, it was showing. It was showing basically, we'll change the messages to make more sense. B is greater and A is greater. Okay. So Currently the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 5. Okay, so it should basically uh, fail in this condition, which is we are comparing A is less than B, which is false, right? So even the first condition, both are not equal. In second condition, we are comparing it A is less than B. In third condition, it is whatever. If both of these conditions are not true, then it will come in the last one. Okay, so I'll click on save and run. Here you go. You have a message saying A is greater. Okay. So I hope this gave you guys a little bit idea about how if else if and else is working. Okay. So what I want to add apart from this is you can add n number of actions, n number of else if based on your requirement. So if you want to connect like 5, 10, or 20, you can connect n number of else if in between, right? And you can keep playing with this. So please let me know if you have any questions in the comment below.